Hey guys, it's your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. Sometimes you can wish for something and you don't know what you're wishing for. Man, I had an area that I was kind of concerned that wasn't going to get a lot of calls because I went 3 months or so without receiving one call in that area. And now the floodgates are open. And when I first initially started, I was saying, man, I want to get this market. I want to take it over. I want to dominate it. And now when I start seeing those calls come in, I sometimes cringe because I'm like, oh, not another call out there. But that's a good problem. That's money. That's money all the time. Sometimes I don't want to drive, but it comes with the territory. When you ask for greatness, or ask to be great, or ask for the responsibilities of the manager, the business owner, the boss, you have to take all those responsibilities and everything that comes with it. With that, suck it up, be tough, and knock it out to the best of your abilities. Make sure you're giving good quality service to everybody and making sure that you are actually staying on top of everything. I know that sometimes I get a little lackadaisical with my Excel spreadsheet that I have, where I put my calls, and it adds up the cost of the parts. It tells you how much profit you're making, all of that. So sometimes I get a little lackadaisical about that and about putting things in there, and I have to go back and backtrack. It's always better just to do it first, man, instead of having to go back. So take the extra time to make sure you are taking care of your processes, making sure you are running through and doing everything you need to do up front, because it's a lot easier to do it right then, even though it seems like it's quicker and easier to kind of skip it and do it tonight or later on tomorrow. Then you'll forget, and it'll be 4 or 5 days later. You'll have a ton of other calls, and hell, you'll be really behind. It just won't take you 2 or 3 minutes to do it. Now you're using 20 or 30 minutes to do something that should have took you maybe 1 or 2 if you had stayed on top of it. So in saying that, hey, take whatever comes with all that you ask for. You can't say you want a Kardashian, but you don't want to pay for it. You're going to have to make sure you keeping her looking good, keeping her well dressed, taking her out to the finest restaurants. Same with this appliance repair company. You can't say you want all these calls, but then say, man, oh man, it's too much work. I'm getting too many recalls, just whatever it may be. You have to take everything that comes with it. All right, guys. I got a good problem. I have too much work. But we'll get it all knocked out, and we're gonna make sure the customer's taken care of, make sure the customer's happy, make sure they're feeling good, make sure that I satisfy all of the requirements that I need to in order to get paid. All right, guys, this is LP with S&W Service and Repair. I hope you're having a great day. If you need any help, you can always reach out. The email is underneath in the description, and also we have the Excel spreadsheet that we're going to be putting out. Haven't put a price on it yet, but we're going to be getting that out to you guys that are single man shops or husband and wife team like me and my wife. So if you need any of that training or any of those resources, you can reach out to us at the email address that you have down below, and we can work with you and get that to you. Also, we're going to be setting up consulting calls for husband and wife teams, and people who might want to work with the warranty companies. We can help you guys out with that. And also the Excel spreadsheet, we can add that on into it also, so that they can help you to maximize your profits and make sure you're not having any losses. That's the most important thing, because if you're not running your business correctly, you can lose a lot of money, especially if you have integrity like we do. We don't want to do anything that's wrong, or make sure we want to make sure that we're taking care of the customer. So if that's not happening, we're going to refund that money. If we mess up something, we're going to pay for it. So just make sure that we have the highest of integrity when it comes to customer service and serving our customers. All right, guys, have a great day.